How to repost a Facebook story. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can post someone else's Facebook story as your own. So before I start with the procedure, let me be very clear that the other person who has originally uploaded that particular story should have allowed the permission. If they have not allowed the permission, then you won't be able to do this with this particular method. But anyways, let us continue. So the first thing is that you launch your Facebook application by tapping onto the app icon. Now once you are inside your Facebook application, you can go to anyone's story. So for example, as you can see, I am here in this story. Now in this story, let's say I want to share it to my story, so I'm gonna click onto these three dots present over here in this story, and once I will do this, I have this option that says share this story. So I'm gonna click onto this share this story option, and then from here under share to, I'm gonna click on your story, and once I will do this, you can see that now this story is appearing in my story. So let me just quickly resize it and then click onto this share option, and now you can see that my story is being posted. So I'm gonna click on not now. Now let us wait for this story to get posted, and then you have successfully shared someone else's story as your own story. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.